In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your first name in TurboTax before you file. This is a quick update you can make right inside your return, and it only takes a moment as long as you haven't submitted your taxes yet. If you've already filed, the name fields will be locked, so this walkthrough applies to returns that are still in progress. Start by signing into your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you're working on for the correct year. If you have more than one return, make sure you're in the one you want to update. Once you're in the return, look to the left side of your screen and select My Info. This section is where all of your personal details are stored and edited, including your name, date of birth, social security number, and the names of anyone else on your return. When My Info opens, you'll land on the Personal Info Summary. You'll see a list of everyone included on your return. Find your own name in that list. To the right of your name, click Edit. That opens your personal profile so you can make changes safely and directly. Locate the first name field and update it to the correct first name. Type it exactly as it appears on your social security card. Avoid nicknames, initials in place of your legal name, or special characters that don't match government records. This is important because the IRS verifies your e-filed return against Social Security Administration data, and mismatches can cause delays or rejections. After you've updated your first name and checked the spelling, click Continue to save. TurboTax will save your change and return you to the Personal Info Summary so you can immediately confirm that your first name now appears correctly. If you don't see the update right away, give the page a second to refresh or reopen My Info to double-check. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you recently changed your legal name with the Social Security Administration, it can take some time for that change to be reflected everywhere. It's a good idea to confirm your SSA record is updated before filing. Also, keep in mind that the name on your W-2 or 1099 may still show a previous name. That's okay. The IRS primarily matches your return using your Social Security number, but your TurboTax personal info should still reflect your current legal name. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to My Info, open the Personal Info Summary, edit your name, update your first name, and click Continue to Save. Once that's done, you can proceed with the rest of your return with confidence.